My Math, Volume 1, 4th grade, and we're doing Lesson 4 today, Problem Solving Investigation. So we're going to continue looking for patterns, okay? We are on page 431, Lesson 4. All right, so strategy, looking for a problem to solve, problem solving. Okay, learn the strategy. So Daniel is training for a walkathon in the first week. In the first week, he walked a total of 5 miles. In the second week, so underline that, he walked a total of 7 miles. Circle that. In the third week, underline that, he walked a total of 9 miles. Based on this pattern, on his pattern, how many miles will he walk in the fourth week? So, number one, understand, what facts do you know? So, Daniel walked blank miles the first week. So, make sure you read everything. So, the first week he walked 5 miles. So, you're going to write 5 here. And on the second week, you put the miles he walked here. So the second week he walked a total of 7 miles. And on the third week, he walks 9 miles. Okay, so go ahead and fill those in. If you need time, always you can pause me. Okay, all right. All right, so the next one is the plan. What do we know? Okay, so the plan is, I will look for a pattern to solve the problem. And now you solve it. The sequence of the pattern is 5, 7, 9. So based on that, what is the rule? So you got to figure out what the rule is. So from 5 to 7, 5, so it's increasing for 1, right? 5, 7, 9, odd numbers. So it's 5, 6, 7. So it went up by 2. Okay, so you might want to make a note here. Plus 2. And from 7 to 9, 7, 8, 9, again, plus 2. Oops, wait. I didn't answer this one. The number of miles Daniel will walk what do you need to find? The number of miles Daniel will walk the blank week. So what week do we need to solve for? How many miles will he walk on the fourth week? So here you're going to put the fourth week. Sorry, I went back up. Okay, that's part number 1. All right, so the rule of the pattern is add 2. So you're going to write that here. Add 2. Okay, based on the rule, the next term in the sequence is, so we're adding 2, 9 plus 2 is 9, 10, 11. Okay, so Daniel will walk 11 miles during the fourth week because every week he adds another 2. So, does your answer make sense? Explain. Well, we're going to say yes, because when you explain, you always put a because, okay? BC, because if you follow the pattern plus 2, you get 11. Okay? All right, so again, if I'm going too fast, pause and finish writing that. Okay? All right, let's go to the next page, 430. So now you practice the strategy. Okay, so Taryn made 15 hair ribbons on Monday. Okay, so 15 on Monday, 21 hair ribbons on Tuesday, and 27 on Wednesday. Based on her pattern, how many hair ribbons will she make on Thursday? So what are the facts we know? So we know that she made her sequence is, let's circle the numbers here, 15, 21, 27. So is 15, 21, 27. Okay, so from 15 to 21, let's see, from 15 to 20 it's 5, so 21, so we're adding 6. And from 21 to 27, again, it's adding 6, because 6 plus 1 is 7. So we know that we are adding 6. So that means that the next number, we need to add 6. Okay, so what do you need to find? Well, what do we need to find? Right there. There's the question. Box the question. Okay. How many ribbons will she make on Thursday? So we need to find what? How many, M-A-N, many ribbons will she make on Thursday? I write kind of big, so I end up having to use the second line. Okay, so what's the plan? I don't know. Let's see how they wrote it on this one here. The plan is, oh, what's the plan? I will look for a pattern to solve the problem. That's the plan. So, I will look for a pattern, and because we are very, very growth mindset, we already did that right here. Okay, so solve it. So what did we find out? I know the pattern is increasing by what, you guys? By 6. So increasing implies we are adding. Okay? So 27 plus 6 is going to give us our answer. So 7 plus 6, let's see, 6 plus, so 7 plus 6 is like 6 plus 1, right? And 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1, bring down the 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay? So, I know Taryn, T-A-R-Y-N, will make 33 ribbons. What are we talking about? Ribbons on Thursday. Okay. Okay, did you guys see how we did that? All right, does your answer make sense? Yes, because I added 6 to 27 to get 33. Okay, so there it is. All right, so your job after we're done here is for you to do page 433 and 444. I'll do a couple with you to get you started. And then your homework, 435 needs to be done and input it into Connect Ed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and help you set these up. All right, so apply the strategy. This is the strategy right here. Understand, plan, solve, check. Okay, so look for the pattern. All right, sorry if I'm moving around a lot. What does it say? A store sold 48 model airplanes in August, 58 model airplanes in September, and 68 model airplanes in October. So obviously they're going by months here. So August, 58 in September, and 68 in October. Suppose the pattern continues. How many model airplanes will be sold in December? Okay, so we need, so they stop in October, so we need to know November's, and then we need to know December. Okay, so it's going, so what do we know? What's the sequence? The sequence is 48, 58, 68. Okay, so that's August, September, October. So now we need November, and then we need December. Okay, so can you see the sequence? 48, 58, 68. So it's going by, for a minute, count on your fingers if you have to, or you can see the pattern, 48, 58, 68. So hopefully you're noticing this is increasing by 10. So 68, 78, and then I'm going to let you figure out December. Okay, so in November it was 78. So what is December? Still need to add another. Okay, the table shows how many tickets were sold for a school play each day. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 312, 316, 320, 324. So what you want to do is count from 12 to 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That increased by 4. So it's increasing by 4 there. From 16 to 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, it increased here to here by 4. And from 20 to 24, same thing. Okay, so we know that the rule here is what? The rule, so look for the rule, is plus 4. And then this rule here was plus 10. Okay? All right. All right, so again, read them. There are 80 picnic tables. This one's kind of long, so let me help you with this one. 80 picnic tables at the park. During the first weekend of the summer, there were 40 available tables. During the second weekend, there were 20 available tables. And during the third weekend, there are 10 available tables. Based on the pattern, how many picnic tables will be available during the fourth weekend of the summer? So you're at a park. The total number of picnic tables are 80. So the first week of the summer, so what's the sequence, okay? So the sequence does not start with that. That's the total number, okay? So this is, there are 40 tables available, so, well, 80, let's see, 40, yeah, okay. So let's write the sequence down. So what is the sequence? Okay, so the sequence starts with the 40, okay? And then this, so that's the first weekend. Second weekend, it says during the second weekend there are 20 available tables. And then the third weekend, there's 10. So how many will be available the fourth weekend? So what do we have here? We have a decreasing pattern. So from 40 to 20, okay. So then we have 20 tables available. there's 10. So what is the rule here? Oh, this one's a different rule. 40, 20, 10. Now, some of you might say 0, but it's not increasing by 10 because if it was, this 40, that would be 30. So from 20 to 10, it's 10. From 40 to 20, that's a decrease of 20. From 20 to 10, that's a decrease of 10. And here. So 2 is half of 4, and 1 is half of 2. So could this be decreasing by dividing 2? So the rule looks like it's division 2. Because 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10 divided by 2 is your answer. And I'm going to let you figure that out. Okay? All right, so then you have a few more here. I'm going to have you guys go ahead and do these yourselves. When you're done, take a picture, upload them into Google Classroom. Remember, homework gets input. You do it all first. Okay, there's nothing to do here. This is just an example on the first page. Homework is uploaded into ConnectEd. All right, so Angela opened a new bakery. She got orders for 2 cakes and the first week, 4 cakes the second week, and 8 cakes the third week. If the pattern continues, how many cake orders will Angela get the 4th week? So what is the sequence? I always start with the sequence. So it's 2, 4, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 8. Well, are they skip counting by 2? Not really, because if they were, this would be a 6, not an 8. So it's not a skip count by 2. So it's not add 2 or times 2, because 2, well, wait a minute. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. All right, so it's not add 2, but maybe the rule is times 2. Could be it. Okay. So the pattern continues. How many orders will? So remember, look for the rule and then write it in. All right. Okay. And circle. All right. Okay then. Do your job and that's it. Thanks. And remember, watch this as many times as you need to.